In this video, I'll show you how you can link your YouTube channel to Instagram on your phone. So this should work on Android and iOS as well. And right now, I'll show you step by step how you can do this. So step number one is opening the YouTube app and going to your own channel. So this is my channel. Now, next up, you can actually copy your channel link. So for that, you want to click on the three dots right there. Okay, so click on those three dots and then click on share. If that's not available, keep watching. I'll show you how you can still do it. Click share and then click on copy link right there. Now, like I said, if that's not available, you want to search for your own channel name. And then next up, let me just do that real quick. There you go. It's probably going to show up here. You can then also click on these three dots and click on share. If it's also not showing up in here, you want to filter this. You want to click on type and then channel, click on apply, and then you'll be able to find it here and then click the three dots. Okay, so that's step number one. Next up, go to Instagram and then click on edit profile. Right there, you can then enter a website and then you want to paste your channel link in that like website link. There you go. Then add a bio and say like my YouTube channel, or just refer to your channel in whatever way. I'll do that right now. I'll leave an emoji as well right there, and there you go. So that's how you can link your YouTube channel to your Instagram. People can then click on that link and that will send them over to your YouTube channel. So that's exactly how you can do this. If this video helps you out, leave a like and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.